She's trying to step on the snow. Let's see if she can do it. Snow in Illinois after the blizzard. There she goes. Try and walk.
No, thinking.
Do you weigh more than Cody?
No.
Then maybe you'll be able to walk on. Oh, dude! Wait, don't move. She's on top of that deep of snow. That's pretty amazing. See if she falls. It's like negative something out here and my fingers are freezing.
-9.
-9 and my fingers are freezing. I'm not wearing any gloves. She has to come get her purse. Your face looks masked.
I'm a mushroom.
I thought you were an Eskimo.
I'm a mushroom.
Okay then. Goodbye.
Bye.
How do I stop this?